Yeah. So
You know how close that lightning was?
Whoa!
Holy fuck! I felt the fucking shockwave from that. Oh my god!
That hit that thing. That hit that, yeah.
Hit that tree. Inside now.
Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Whoa, dude! Fuck that, bro!
I propped myself then. Yeah. I ain't going up now.
Lightning strike right in front of me. Hey, not right. Oh my!
Like that!
Oh my god, that did not just happen.
Jesus Christ! That f***ing hit the tree right next to me. Oh my God, I hope I got that.
I got that one! Jeez, I couldn't have planned